Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Transit 350. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a heavy-duty trailer tow package, as well as the Upfitter Package. We do get rear park sensing tow hitch. We do get a nice backup camera up there as well, dual back doors back here, as well as some nice black accents. We do get a keyless entry pad as well, trailer tow mirrors with heated door mirrors, lights, side view camera, and moving to the front, we do get front park sensing license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You really can upgrade this vehicle however you please by just removing those little tags, and you get more hooks and doodads behind it. You do get rear air conditioning and heating back here as well. You can lock these doors, open them individually as well, which is all pretty handy. You do get a sliding rear door as well with a nice little step to get up into your cargo or whatever you have set up here, with easy access to the driver and passenger seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get a lovely step to get up to your driver's seat with manual seats. This nice dark gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space up front, windows, lights, auto stop start, parking brake, tons of storage, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 59 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get information about the vehicle, settings, trip 1 and 2's in there, my view, driving assist, navigation, music, phone, and all that fun stuff. You do get storage on the dash as well, which is pretty handy with outlets, all that stuff. You got vents, your gear select, tons of storage, cup holders, trailer brake, your upfitter switches, a nice little step to get to the back as well, which is pretty handy. Your USB 12-volt storage in the glove compartment, hazards, volume, your drive modes, which do include normal, eco, slippery, sport, and not sport, tow and haul, and mud and rut. Max temp, a nice 360 view of the vehicle, your park sensing. About me, we do get our tons of storage above as well, which is pretty handy. You got your sunshade, all that jazz, and looking here at our home screen with navigation, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. All your climate controls are conveniently at the bottom with heated door mirrors. For your audio, you do get your normal AM, FM, Bluetooth, but you do get SiriusXM with this vehicle. You can add a phone. Here's your settings, just your normal vehicle settings. And features of the vehicle, such as your drive modes and owner's manual. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA91515, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.